In this video, I'll show you how to use the Canva AI Generator. Now first you need to head over to canva.com. From in here, you're gonna select a template. It can just be a blank one. You can just search for YouTube thumbnail, choose a blank one. Now keep in mind, this is free. You don't need the Canva Plus. Now, once you're in here, what you can do is, here on the left side, you can press on apps. From in here, search for AI Image Gen. And this one should be the first one that pops up. You're gonna click on it to install it, and you will find it here in the left side. Now what you can do is you can basically type what you wanted to make. So let's say magical forest with colors, create, and just let it load for a little bit while it's creating. Now once this is done, it will create a magical forest with colors exactly as you typed it. So let's see here, it should be done soon. Here you can see it is currently done, and it has created exactly how we wanted it to. You can also press surprise me and it will just create something random. So basically that's how you can use the AI generator in Canva. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe, as it will help me out a lot. And I hope you had a good day. Thank you for watching.